Hi Hadu, today we're going to draw the nice emoji of the color drawings. Let's see the circle. So this circle, this is already, you know, done here. We can bold it with the help of the pen. Another circle, you can see this is here. All right. So we're going to draw the hand on the right side. It looks like a thumbs up. Thumbs up is here. Another hand shape you can see I am drawing here. This is another thumbs up, and the eyebrow on top, that's going to be like this. Another eyebrow. This looks like a symbol, which is, it looks like the Nike shape. Nike is a very international famous brand. So just upside down, Nike is on the other way, upside down. Now we are going to draw the eye. So this is the right eye, and this is going to be the darker eyeball. Another thing here you can see, and the left eye we're going to draw now. All right, let's put another circle inside the bigger circle, and another circle in the center. Okay, for the mouth you can see we have drawn a very nice shape because it's a smiley face. So we can see the teeth here and the tongue inside. Now you can see the total appearance. For the color, let's put the yellow color inside the face. So we can use the bright yellow. Let's put the color here, the bright yellow. All right. The whole thing, it's a bright yellow. That's why the face is going to be the brighter. Okay, this drawing is little bit complicated than other emojis, but this also looks nice too. That's why we're drawing too. So many things to learn, but when you do keep doing it, then the things are going to be better. So the color, yellow color, it's almost done. For the eyeball, we can put the blue color inside it. Also for this eye too, we're putting the blue color. All right. The eyebrow on top, this is going to be the pure black. All right. And also for the left one, Okay, we can darken the color inside the face and also inside the mouth. You can see here the mouth is getting darker again. All right, so the border is nice. Let's make the hand little darker too, and the thumbs up also for the left hand. We're just making the lines little bold than the previous one. Make the thumbs up again. Okay, for the tongue, let's put the red color here. All right, so this is the drawing. Little bit modifications left for few details. Maybe we can put the eyes little bold too. You can see here. All right, it's a little bold too. And also this eye, let's make a little bold too. So this is almost finished. And last thing for the mouth. I hope you like the video. It's a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. You can do practice at home and you can draw better than this one. Please subscribe the channel as you like it. Put the bell icon on to get any new updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.